Hi everyone, I'm Matthew Ford, CEO and founder of Pariti, a new service to help people out of high interest debt towards a more secure financial future. We're facing a major problem in the UK. Rising personal debt and lack of savings is leaving many households vulnerable when things get tough. Exacerbating this problem is a lack of access to affordable credit. For those with a thin credit file or a poor credit file, high interest lenders are often the only option. Pariti brings a solution to this problem. We help build consumer creditworthiness. Our platform takes a much smarter approach to credit assessment, and we provide tools, guidance, and incentives to improve access to low-cost finance. For consumers, we provide engaging mobile tools to build their financial health. Firstly, we allow users to track all their finances together. The key thing being the first step to a solution is seeing the scale of the problem. Secondly, we provide tools to empower users to make smarter financial decisions, understanding the impact of their financial behavior and helping optimize the way that they manage and pay down their debt. But at the heart of this is the Pariti score. It's about building creditworthiness. And for this, we provide gamified challenges and incentives to help proactively work hand in hand with the user to improve their financial position, to ultimately access low-cost finance. Beneath these tools, however, we're a big data company at heart. We combine financial transaction data with behavioral analytics to take a much richer view of an individual's financial health. We connect to thousands of banks around the world to derive insights on the position of that user. So insights such as not just their income and their expenditure, but a second and the third level down of insights, such as the volatility of those earnings, the composition of those earnings. And again, not just how much they spend, but where they spend and how they behave when they're spending. This is not just a very large problem, it's a very large market. There are 9 million people in the UK who are deemed over-indebted, and 2.5 million people took out a payday loan last year. Our business model is twofold. Firstly, we work with lenders to directly integrate their financial products within our app. So we can identify users who require a financial product and who are in a positive financial position to be able to afford it and are able to act as a broker to enable that relationship. But secondly, we provide a credit assessment API. So on lenders' own loan application forms, consumers can connect their Pariti profile to the loan application to validate and to verify the information they would ordinarily have volunteered to improve the accuracy of that credit assessment. This twofold business model also allows us to reach scale much quicker. So not only do we acquire consumers directly onto the Pariti platform via the app, but also by having the Connect Your Pariti account on the loan application form, it moves lending away from a transactional relationship to a much more ongoing conversation. So no longer just reject an applicant, but a rejection becomes, this time you weren't able to access the product that we're offering, but next time, if you improve the position that you're in, we may be able to lend to you. And that absolutely revolutionizes the industry. So we sit in a very broad landscape, from those with money management across to direct lending. But our USP is our proprietary analytics that underpin the platform, but also that hand-in-hand relationship that we have with consumers to proactively work with them to improve their position, to help lenders responsibly lend. We have a very experienced team with great technical capability in this area. Myself, Peter, and Jody previously worked for a company called Innotribe, a personal finance manager that was launched in 2012 and was sold to Money Supermarket last year. We launched Pariti in August last year and have had fantastic validation and traction to date. For the first 6 months, we were building out our platform and were part of Yodlee's incubator program. And we launched a very simple balance checker app in January to start acquiring consumers onto the platform. Since then, we've analyzed 8 million or more than 8 million of transaction data and have, in the last couple of weeks, closed a large seed round to accelerate our development further. So why are we here today? Because we want to work with you. We want to work with responsible lenders who can integrate their products directly into the service to help improve access to credit. and we want to work with customers who can integrate our API to make much smarter credit assessment decisions. Thank you.